Why do some sounds last a long time? Like hitting a metal chime. The sound goes on and on. But if you hit the wood part, the sound stops quickly. Why? To figure out why some sounds last longer than others, let's investigate sound. Plucking a string on our toy guitar also causes a longer lasting sound. What is happening to the string when it is plucked? What about after it's plucked? What do you notice about the movement of the string and the sound you hear? Let's take a look at this again in slow motion. Now is a good time to pause the video and discuss what you are observing. What will happen to the sound if we first pluck the string and then touch the string immediately after? Let's find out. Is the sound still lasting a long time after the string is plucked? Notice he's touching it right after he plucks it. Remember, this is how it sounded before. Did the fingers stop the sound? Why? Pause and discuss. What did the finger do to the small movements or vibrations of the string? What else vibrates? Rubber bands can vibrate. This video is in slow motion. Can you see the rubber band moving after being plucked? This is a tuning fork. It is made of metal. Does it vibrate? Does the tuning fork move or vibrate after it is hit? Are the tuning fork's sounds connected to its movements? What happens to the vibrations when we grab the tuning fork? What happens to the sound when we grab the tuning fork? Are you starting to see some connections between sounds and movements? Remember the chime? We can stop that sound too. But we can't see vibrations here. Huh. Do you think that the chime might be making tiny movements that are too small to see? Are sounds created by movements? Remember, the tuning fork kept moving after it was a hit. And the sound kept going too. Also remember, when you hit the wood, the sound stops quickly. Do you have an idea of why that might be? Do you now have some answers for the question, why do some sounds last longer than others? If a movement creates vibrations that last a long time, then the sound will last a long time too. For example, the metal on the chime vibrates longer than the wood does after being hit. Keep exploring sound and movements.